completely. Our child's education begins at home. Education is fundamental right of every person. Educated people can make educated society. Educated people can take a nation to progress in short term